Hi, I'm Matt Kale, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm here today to show you how to throw a Halloween party for your kids. So, important thing not to overlook at your party is to make sure to have a quiet room or corner where any child that has a meltdown can go. Inevitably, when you have a lot of children that are all around each other like that, you're going to have somebody that's going to have a problem who might need to take a time out. Maybe they ate too much and their tummy's upset, or maybe they're just, Halloween can be stressful. It's a lot of fun for kids, but it can also be kind of crazy, kind of stressful for them. There's a lot of unusual things running around. A lot of their friends don't look fully recognizable. There might be music, and it's a lot. It's a lot of sensory input going into their brains, so they may crash. And if they do crash, they need a place to go to have their time out and have some quiet to recover. Kids are very resilient. After a 5 minute, just kind of 5 minutes in the quiet area, or just chilling out, maybe seated away from the music or loud games, they'll be ready to jump right back in the action. But it's important to have a place where they can fall back to in case they need it.